What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. I figure I'll call this kind of like an episode of the Optimistic Kitchen. Today we're gonna talk about pressure pot. As you can see it behind me there, it's not in focus, I'm in focus, but my pressure pot is sitting behind me, and you're probably wondering why I have my pressure pot behind me. As you know, I've been doing cooking videos, and in a few of my videos I've used the pressure pot. I use the pressure pot when meat are too hard. I really rather use the pot on the stove top. If the meat is gonna take me anything over 45 minutes to cook, I like to pressure it. So I'll, instead of 45 minutes, if I pressure it, I'll pressure it for 15 minutes, so it will cook for 15 minutes. Anyways, I've realized that a lot of people really honestly do not know how to use the pressure pot. You know that it cooks, you know that you put the food in, but a lot of people is afraid of it, and I was one of those people. You don't know how to close it. So the purpose of this video is to teach you guys how to close the pressure pot. I don't know if there's any video anywhere on YouTube that teaches you that, but I figure if I'm gonna cook and I'm gonna use a pressure pot and encourage you to use a pressure pot, the least I can do is teach you the safety of the pressure pot, because the pressure pot can be really dangerous. It can blow, and I don't know if a lot of people know that. So the purpose of this video is to just teach you guys how to use the pressure pot, how to close the pressure pot, when to open the pressure pot. That's the purpose of this video, because I love you guys, and if I'm gonna make something and you think you want to make something and you want to use a pressure pot, I want you guys to be safe. I do not want anything happening to you guys. So like I said, in this video I'll teach you guys how to use the pressure pot. And I really want to take this time to say thank you to all those who've been riding with me, all those who've commented, all those who've liked, and all those who've watched. I thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you just came upon this video, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of this family. I try to do video twice a week. This week it didn't work that way, and I'm sorry, because this week has been a really hectic week for me. I thank God I survived, and life goes on, so I want to get back into regular scheduling. I try to make video twice a week. It's a network. I do a wide variety of things. We talk, we cook, we do makeup, we do everything. It's a kind of network. And also, if there's anything that you'd want me to do, anything that you want me to try, leave it in the comment box and I'll work on that. After you watch the video, don't forget to like and comment. Get active in the comment box. I want to hear from you guys. Now, this is my old beat up pressure pot. This is the only pressure pot I've ever owned since I came to America over 12 years now. I need no other, because this is great. I was trying to find a measurement of it so I could let you guys know the size of it, but it's not a big pressure pot. It's probably great for a family of 3 or 4, but it's not a real big pressure pot, but it's big enough for me. Now, this is the inside of the pressure pot cover, and it does have a rubber. That black thing you see right there, it's the rubber, and without the rubber you're not able to pressure. That's what keep the pressure inside the pot, and the rubber is removable. You can remove it and wash underneath there. And if you notice, the inside of my pressure pot, it's a little discolored, but don't worry about that. It's just from cooking over and over in it, and different things stain it. But the pressure cooker is really clean, but you'll find that they get discolored after a while, especially if you're not like in the Caribbean where you have steel wool and all those things to scour it and keep it clean and pretty and shiny and new. This little thing I'm showing you on the top, it's called the lid, and it's supposed to be on the pressure pot when you're cooking. On some pressure pots it's removable. On mine it's not. As you can see, I'm showing you the close, and it has an arrow, and each pressure pot may be different, keep in mind. But if you're gonna buy a pressure pot, buy one that has direction, like the close and the open direction. It just helps you to remember. So inside of the pressure pot, you'll notice that there are lines in there, and there's a line that say maximum, so you're not supposed to fill it past that line. So after you put your meat and put the water in, you're gonna try and close your pressure pot. So for this pressure pot, if you notice, it has, I'm gonna call them grooves. So you have the out, in, out, in. So to put the cover on, you're gonna bring the close area closest to the handle of the pot, and you're gonna just sit the pot on it and straighten it, and then you'll just feel like a little air, and then you'll just twist it around the close direction. Okay, I don't know if you got that, but I can show you better than I can tell you. So hopefully you're watching. So again, you just put the cover on, straighten the cover. Sometimes you gotta shimmy it a little to make sure it's straight over it, and you're gonna turn the ears of the cover close to the handle of the pot. You put it on and you just kind of sink it down and turn it in the direction that says closed. And obviously the opposite direction is gonna be open, and it's marked on it with an arrow going in the opposite direction, which is anti-clockwise. So clockwise to close, anti-clockwise to open. Once you close your pressure pot, be sure that the lid is not lean like that. You want the lid as straight as that. The way it is now, that's the way you want it. Once it's on the stove, you want it straight. Once you pressure to your desired time, you turn the stove off. Carefully and steadily move the pressure pot over to into the sink. Run some cold water on it. Make sure the pressure is out. You'll hear the pressure, psh, and then you lift the lid to let out the steam and leave it a little and let it cool before you open. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.